Now question number 4, express in kilogram, 4 kg 8 gram. That means we can write 4 kg plus 8 gram. Now we have to convert this gram into kilogram. So what is the rule here? 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram and 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kg. So we have to divide this by 1000. 8 upon 1000 kg. So 4 kg plus. We have to make 3 digits here. So we can write 800.0 kg. Now we have to add this. How? We have to convert into light decimal. It will become 4.000 and 0.008. So we can add 0 plus 8, 8, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0 and 0.4 plus 0, 4. So answer is 4.008 kilogram. Write decimal numbers in the expanded form. So expanded form, we have to check the places here. Now students, I've already told you that this is your 10th place, 100th place, 1st place, 10th place and so on. So according to the places we have to write down expanded form. What is the place here? Tens. 2 multiplied by 10. What is the place of 0? Ones. So 0 multiplied by 1. Plus what is the place of 0 here? Here it is 10th place. So 0 multiplied by 1 upon 10. What is the place of 3 here? Hundredths place. That means 3 multiplied by 1 upon 100. So 2 multiplied by 10 will become 20. 0 multiplied by 1 is 0. So we no need to write 0 here. 0 multiplied by 1 upon 10 is 0. No need to write here 0. So 3 multiplied by 1 upon 100 is 3 upon 100. Now 20 plus 3 upon 100. This is 20 plus what is it? 3 upon 100. It will become 0.03. That is the answer. Next is 200.03. So what is the place here? This is your 0 is your ones place. This is your tens place. This is your 100 place. So this 2 multiplied by 100 because 100 place is there. 0 multiplied by 10 because it is at the tens place. 0 multiplied by 1 because it is at the ones place plus 0. What is the place here? Tens place. So it is 0 multiplied by 1 upon 10. What is the place of 3 here? Hundreds place. Hundreds. So 3 multiplied by 1 upon 100. So it will become 200. 0 into 0. 0 into 10 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. And 0 into 1 upon 10 is 0. 3 into 1 upon 100 is 3 upon 100. So it is 200 plus it is written as 0.03. Question number 6. Write the place value of 2 in the following numbers. That is 2.56. Now what is the place value of 2 here? We have to check what is the place here. It is ones place. So ones place means 2 multiplied by 1. The place value of 2 is 2 into 1 is 2. 10.25. So what is the place of 2 here? This is 10th place. 10th place. So 10th place means 2 multiplied by 1 upon 10. So place value of 2 is 2 upon 10. 2 upon 10 we can write as 0.2. Now 63.352. So 2 is at now thousands place. This is thousands place. So 2 multiplied by 1 upon 1000, that is 2 upon 1000, which is equal to 0.002. Next question is question number 7. Dinesh went from place A to B and from there to place C. A is 7.5 km from B and B is 12.7 km from C. Ayub went from place A to place D and from there to place C, and D is 9.3 km from A and C is 11.8 km from D. Who travelled more and by how much? Now Dinesh went from A to B and this is 7.5 km. A is 7.5 km from B. Then he went from B to C and B to C's distance is 12.7 km. Now distance travelled by Dinesh is AB plus BC. So 7.5 plus 12.7 we will get 20.2 km. So distance travelled by Dinesh is 20.2 km. Now Ayub goes from A to D and what is A to D is 9.3 km. And then from D to place C, that means D to C, And what is the distance from D to C is 11.8. So we are writing here 11.8 kilometer. So distance travelled by Ayub is equal to AD plus DC. What is AD? 9.3. What is DC? 11.8 kilometer. After adding this, we will get 21.1 kilometer. Now comparing, I have already told you. So 2 is same here. 1 is greater than 0. So don't go there. So we will get 21.1 is greater than 20.2. So Ayub, the value of this is Ayub. So Ayub travelled more distance than Dinesh by 21.1 minus 20.2 kilometer, and after subtracting we will get 0.9 kilometer. And we must know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, so we are converting this kilometer into meter, multiply by 1000 meter here, so we will get 900 meters. So Ayub travelled more distance by 900 meter. Multiplication of decimals. Under this, multiplication of a decimal number by a whole number. Step number 1 is multiply whole numbers ignoring the decimal point. And step number 2 is place the decimal point in the product obtained such that there are as many decimal places on the right of the decimal point in the product. We can understand this concept by an example. Suppose we are taking 9.82 multiplied by 6. 9.82 multiplied by 6. First of all, we have to multiply it simply without, you have to focus upon the decimal. That means multiply 982 multiplied by 6, you will get 5892. Now after calculating this, we are putting the decimal. How? First of all, we have to check the first number has 2 decimal places. After decimal, 2 digits are there, so we are saying 2 decimal places are there. In this case, no decimal places here, so 0 decimal places here. When we are adding this, 2 plus 0, that is 2 decimal places. Now after calculating the product, we have to check decimal places. Decimal places are 2, so count from the right 1, 2 and put the decimal here. Example 2, multiply 3.77 multiplied by 2.8. In this case, both the numbers are decimal numbers, so multiplication of two decimal numbers, same concept is here. We have to multiply the number ignoring the decimal point. First of all, we have to calculate this. We are coming to this 10,556. Now we are putting the decimal. How? Calculate the decimal places here. Decimal places are 2. Decimal places are 1 in this. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3, we have to put 3 decimal places. We are counting from the right. That is 1, 2, 3. So put the decimal here. Multiplication by powers of 10. When we multiply numbers by 10, 100, 1000 and so on, that is powers of 10, we can simply move the decimal point to the right as many places there are zeros in the factor. That means 10 multiplied by 0.49. Now that means 10 means 10 has 1 0. So we have to move the 1 step to the right. That means decimal is here, so move 1 decimal here, that means it will become 4.9. So 0, remove it, answer is 4.9. Next example, 100 multiplied by 2.65. Now in this case, 100 multiplied by 100 and 100 has 2 zeros. So we have to move 2 steps to the right. That means decimal 1, 2. So decimal comes here. So it will become 265.0, or we are ignoring the 0, so answer is 265 only. Next example, 1000 multiplied by 0.370. 1000 has 3 zeros, so we have to move 3 steps to the right. That means count from here 1, 2, 3. So decimal comes here. That means 370.0, and 0.0 means no value, that means 370 is the answer only.